How to redeem a promo code on Instacart. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instacart on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find all these options. Scroll down and click on your account settings. Or you can directly go to promos and gift cards. Here, click on Add at the top right. After you click on Add at the top right in here, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here, add your promo code. Simply type in your promo code and press on Add Funds at the bottom. After you click on Add Funds at the bottom, your promo code will be added and you will get a certain discount. This is how to redeem a promo code on Instacart. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.